Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can do word by word captions in CapCut. So here is the easiest way for you to get the word by word caption. First, you just need to head to text menu at the bottom and then select the auto captions. And in here just click the sound source from video and then choose this language. In here I'm going to just select English, and after that you can also add some animations in here, but if you don't, you can just skip it. And then after that just click on start. Okay, so now the caption has been created like this. And to create the word by word caption, you just need to head to animation, and then here select caption and scroll down until you find the word by word option. So just click on that, then click on a check icon, and now the subtitle or the caption will be shown word by word like this. Okay, so that's all from me. If you have any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks or like this video and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.